How to create a post on Reddit in your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily post on your PC using Reddit. So first thing, just head over to your reddit.com on your favorite browser. So once you're inside here, just make sure you have already logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So now all you've got to do to create a new post is simply click on this create post button right next to your notification and profile section. So just tap on this. So once you tap on it, you can basically create a title, select this, and also include a body descriptions, select this, and also you can also particularly add or drop an image by simply uploading it from your PC. You can also even include a URL link if it contains any URL link. And once you do all of that, simply click on post and your post will be successfully posted on your Reddit application. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.